Hi friends, what is up? It is day 4 and here we are. We are going to begin. So we have our day 1, our day 2 and our day 3. Already our bow has flattened a bit, but it's fine. I just hang this on a calendar that I have. And then here is our tag for today. So I'm going to show you how I did the other one. I'm just using a regular hole punch. And I'm trying to center it as much as I can. And it looks like, and I just go back just a smidgen, just to make the hole a tad bigger. That's it. And then I can put a reinforcement on the back and everything just works out perfectly. And it looks like there's a reinforcement on the front. Okay. Alrighty. Now, in my opinion, the front is very decorated. I need to add nothing to the front. And that's what I love about these. You can just decorate on the back. This is a lot going on. I don't want to add anything to the front. If I were to add something, it would be something right here. But for the most part, in my mind, I'm not going to add anything. So this goes along with this. Okay, so this is from the extras. This is a fun pocket. And this goes with this. And we're going to assemble this pocket. We have our day 4 elements here. I'm gonna let them all out of their container because they're like, I wanna play. Alright, and so today's topic is kindness. Okay, and we have these fun labels, stamps, and this one here. You could actually use these in your journaling, so if you don't use all of them, these would be a fun addition to your journaling. We have a pocket here, and all we need is a fun little tag. Okay, so we'll move those to the side. We're gonna bring out our paper cutter / scoreboard, and there is very faint. Don't know if you're seeing it on this. Let me show you on this one. This one is a little brighter. It's very faint. There are some dotted lines. They're white, and it goes around. This one is more stable in terms of, this one kind of looks a little blurry, and it's just because it's a shiny, both back and front is shiny on this cardstock. This is regular copy paper, and this is the reason why sometimes I just print my printables on copy paper and then just stick them onto the cardstock, because this looks way better than this, and it's the same printable, but it's just that both sides of the cardstock is really shiny. But I don't mind it. So I'm gonna score really well. I'm gonna line it up again. Score it really well. I'm gonna do this for all 4 sides. And then we can just put this to the side because we no longer need it. And I'm seeing there's a little edge right here that wasn't cut off properly, and I don't know if those are going to be an issue, so I just want to get rid of them. If you have a paper cutter, like a Cricut or a Silhouette, or even a Brother, you can go ahead and cut these and use this. I think there's a scoring tool on them that you can use. Okay, and now we're gonna just, now that they're nice and folded, we're going to burnish it down. So now we have nice clean folds. Now I'm going to show you how to close this. It's one over the other. It's going to be like this. That's why we wanted to make sure all the edges are nice and rounded. Isn't it so cute? I think it's so adorable. This is so pretty. And you're just going to put glue on the back here. And then you can stick it down. So you can actually stick it in the center. This would be really nice. I was thinking in my mind I'd put it at the bottom, but it really looks pretty in the center. Really looks pretty. I don't even know if we're going to be using the pocket anymore, just because it's so cute. I'm going to use this as a measurement. We could put this in our pocket like that. We can have it tuck out of the pocket like this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm probably not going to even use that anymore. No. I'm going to have these like this, and as you can see the number 4 is there because it's the number 4, and I'm going to layer that. I want it here, there. I don't know, I kind of like the number up top, and I can write kindness right here, glue that down there. I think when I open it up, I could actually have this in the center. I like that idea. So I'm going to glue this into the center and make it a pocket. So it's like a pocket within a pocket. So on the background here, I know that I wanted to add a few torn pieces of paper. So we have that like that. And now, I think this is tacky enough. And I'm just going down my elements. I don't want any color. I was thinking, do I want background? But no. I'm going to leave it as is. I feel like I'm... Let me find somewhere to put the word kindness. So only have these two left over as well, actually 3. Okay, and I'm gonna leave this as is. I'm gonna put it onto my card, and that is my day number 4. Day number 4 completed. So pretty.